Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing. But we all know that Valentine's Day is coming up, right? So this video is gonna have a lot of Valentine's Day stuff in it. But today we're just gonna be focusing on how to make a nice Valentine's Day gift for someone, that will include a notebook and a Valentine's Day card. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. So first, I want to just tell you how to make a Valentine's Day card before we move on to the harder stuff. So to make a Valentine's Day card, you will be needing one Post-it, just one Post-it only, just one. So don't waste your time taking too much Post-its because you only need one. You will also be needing pencils or markers. That will be actually kind of it. And you also will be needing paper, that's what I have on the table. You can use any size paper as long as it will fit a Valentine's Day card. So the first step is to grab your Post-it. You're gonna grab a pencil. Ow, that actually hurt. You're gonna grab a pencil and you're gonna write down the names of all your family members. So you don't accept yourself, right? All the family members except yourself. You can do from oldest to youngest or youngest to oldest. I'm doing from oldest to youngest, starts out with your dad, mom, and my uncle comes right after. And then my oldest brother. And then my and then my older brother. Then we have my younger sibling, which is younger than me. I'm not writing myself, I'm right after my older brother, not after my oldest brother. My younger sister and my youngest person in the family. Then what you're going to do, you want to underline them. And then right next to them, because sometimes boy names can be a little bit like girl names, and sometimes you'll get confused. So what you're going to do, you're going to make a line through every family member you did. It should look like this across your family members. Then you're gonna write their gender. Boy, girl, boy, 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 girl, boy. You don't have to do exact pattern, depends on. Then once you've done that, you don't need any more Post-its until we move on to the notebook. But we're not gonna need the Post-its anymore, so we could just throw that in the garbage. I don't mean throw it in the garbage, like throw it away from us because we don't need it. So you can go away right now. I don't want to go away. I don't want to go away. Yes, you have to. I don't want to. So you can't tell me, you guys cannot tell me what to do. Because you guys are not the boss of me. So I'm just going to stay here and leave you guys alone. just away from this. So what? Go further. There now. Stay far, far away before I stab you with this sword. Or maybe this. Or maybe these. But you're gonna have to keep this Post-it. Just to let you know, my mom, there's a Post-it. She said I'm so proud of me. She's so proud of me. She brought me a Zootopia. My mom, she got me a Zootopia game. I can tell this is definitely my mom's handwriting because this is how my mom writes. So I can tell that is definitely her handwriting. So that's how I tell my mom got this. She got me Zootopia, which is I never actually watched Zootopia before. So I actually might be kind of interested to watch this. Movies that I never watched before, I actually kind of like would be really, really eager to watch it because I never watched it before and I don't know how the movie is like and stuff. So I'm just gonna put that off to the side. That was probably my Valentine's Day gift. Well, she probably has much more. I know this running. If you wonder why I'm wearing this, it's because I have my neck. The back of my neck over here is sore. My mom said it's because I was sleeping a bit funny. And today I'm going to Valentine's Day craft. So at 1 something to my friend's house for Valentine's Day. Where I'm gonna make Valentine's Day crafts. So yeah. But let's get right on to it. So after you did all the Post-it thingies, you want to make a card for everybody, basically. So the first one, so what you're gonna do with the paper, you're gonna fold it in half. And then you're gonna say, so here you're gonna ask, I'm gonna do my dad first. It's hard for him to actually talk about what's his favorite color, but my brother said he likes red, so I'm gonna grab a red pencil. Just to let you know, I organized my pencils, so my red pencil is probably like the first pencil in the bin because it goes in order, so it's probably the first pencil in the bin. So I got my red. Now I'm gonna write. You can write in any type of handwriting as long as you do it the right way because I just messed up and I need to erase it. And you know that color pencil can't be erased, so I'm just doing my best to erase it. So 4. Dad. Just do the best you can with if you use bubble letters, do the best that you can. For my example is gonna be Dad's Valentine's card because he's coming. I just want to make one for him first for an example, but I'm not gonna make any more than that. I actually decided that this is actually getting pretty long, and my video, I probably would not have enough time to make my notebook, to make the book. So in part 2 of Valentine's Day crafts, that's my new series, Valentine's Day crafts you can do for your family. That's what I'm gonna do, the notebook. That's what I'm gonna do, the notebook example. But still be sure to like this video, because seriously, I could not have it under 15 minutes because I have to refrain my account, and I don't know how to do that because I'm a kid. And yeah, they don't understand how old I am. And then you're just gonna make any design. You can make like lines. If you're writing a Valentine's Day card for your parents, you're gonna have to copy exactly what I write. So I'm just gonna draw some hearts. I want to get this done quick because I don't have enough time, so I have to try to do this quickly. Now, here's exactly what you're gonna write. Dear Dad, comma, thank you for being the best dad in the world. If you're writing about your dad, it's the best dad. If you're writing about the mom, it's the best mom. If you're writing about any other parent, it's the best, whatever parent you're talking about in the world. Thank you for taking care of me. All of us love you and miss you when you are not in our footsteps. It means you're not in our house where we are. It's not where we are. And then you're gonna say, the big part is Dad, all in uppercase. Then draw hearts. And then write you, all in uppercase. And then you're just gonna draw a picture of your daddy, not in color. Just the best you can draw. You can draw them in color if you're not. I'm not going to. I'm probably going to color it in when I'm not making this video. And say Dad, and then draw heart, color it in. Well, and that is it for your card. Dear Dad, thank you for being the best dad in the world. Thank you for taking care of me. All of us love you and miss you when we're not in our footsteps. Dad, I love you. And then I drew a picture of Dad. And then you repeat the same thing for all of your parents. But your children, I will make a Valentine's Day card for that. But you do the same thing for blank. And then you do the same design that I do. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to comment and subscribe. We all love you very much. Be sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss a post. We all love you guys very much. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.